What's up, guys? We're back. It is May 16th, I believe, 5th week of Wisconsin turkey season here. Both Jake and I have tags. We're gonna see if we can get these birds to cooperate. We know where they're roosted this morning on this property. We're gonna try to get in tight. We're gonna do a more aggressive approach, and then we'll see how they react. We're gonna throw a strutter and a hen decoy out and see what happens. It's 4:15 right now. We're gonna get out there, try to get in close to them, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Go, go, go.
The whole morning, right?
Yeah.
Over there. But then this guy, he's about probably 25 yards. Right by that ground blind.
Nice.
So fucking beautiful. Gosh, they're pretty.
Shot his beard a little bit.
Did I?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, they're pulling out though.
Oh yeah.
Awesome, dude. Great bird. All right, folks, just got Jake's bird. We're gonna, as you saw, I completely whiffed on, there's two birds that came in and it did not work out. Shot twice and completely whiffed. So we're on another piece of public that I have birds on as well. We're gonna go walk this and then see, probably sit a little bit, see if anything happens. And then we just found like 3 or 4 more strutters on our other private property that we're gonna hit probably a little bit later this morning. So super fun hunt this morning. Jake's first bird, like I said, and they just did it perfectly. So stay tuned. Hopefully something else happens.
That bird is just standing there and looking at us.
All right, guys, we are back home. It was an amazing day. I got to be better about narrating the day as it's going on, but it's something I'm working on. So, but yeah, we as you saw, we started out on the roost. We had some birds located and we got in super tight. We actually ended up busting a hen out of the tree at like 4:30 a.m. and we were pretty disappointed, and we kind of thought our morning was screwed after that, but we decided to sit anyways, see what happens. And then there's actually another hen like 5 yards away from us in a tree that we didn't see, and she flew down the opposite direction. So we're like, oh great, that's just what we wanted. But then I looked to my right and there is a strutter starting to make his way over to us. So I let Jake know, and then more birds started to pitch down. There was probably a good 20 birds in there. 4 of them were toms. That one strutter that I saw first, he kind of hung up at like 60 yards. And then the bird that Jake actually shot, he pitched down and he saw the decoy and he came directly to us right away. And as soon as that bird did that, the first strutter ran in with that second bird. So we had both birds within like 15 yards. Jake shot his, and then I completely whiffed twice. So that's what happened. But super pumped for Jake. Congrats to Jake again. Like, it was just a picture perfect morning. They did it perfectly and it was just gorgeous. So it was an amazing day in the turkey woods. Tomorrow we have Fia coming on her first turkey hunt. What do you think, Fia? Are you excited? Are you excited?
It's dirty.
There's dirt in her shoe, but she's excited. So she's coming on her first turkey in the morning. Hopefully we'll be able to hear some gobbling, see some birds, drink some hot chocolate, and have some donuts in the blind. And then once she gets kind of sick of it, or we'll see how long she lasts. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna enjoy the morning no matter what. But whenever she's ready, we're gonna bring her back home, and then I'm gonna hunt the rest of the day. Me and Jake are gonna hunt the rest of the day. Hopefully we'll get my bird tagged, and then yeah, if it doesn't happen tomorrow, I got Sunday morning as well. So we'll see what happens. It's a beautiful weekend. It was really windy later on today. We got caught in a thunderstorm actually as well later on, a really small one, but overall just a beautiful day. So stay tuned, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and hit that like button. Please subscribe and get those kids outdoors.